Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in civic education, we're going to be looking at community service. Okay? Our topic for today in civic education is on community service. So are we ready for the lesson? Under today's lesson, we are going to be looking at the definition of community service, forms of community service like NYSC, ways of rendering community service, and lastly, importance of community service. So are we ready for the lesson? So first, we are going to be looking at the definition of community service. Community service refers to the voluntary activities performed by individuals or groups within their community to address social, environmental, or civic needs. Okay? Do you understand? Community service refers to voluntary actions undertaken by individuals or groups to address societal needs and improve the well-being of a community. Do you understand that? Community service is when people do things to help their community without getting paid. It's voluntary work that benefits others and makes the community better. Okay? This can include activities aimed at supporting social, environmental, or civic causes without financial compensations. So we now know the meaning of community service. Let's look at forms of community service. Forms of community service, like those in the National Youth Service Corps, which is NYSC, often include activities such as teaching, involvement in education programs, especially in underserved areas. Another activity includes healthcare outreach, providing medical assistance or promoting health awareness in communities. Infrastructural development, participating in projects that improve community facilities and infrastructure. Environmental initiatives, engaging in activities to preserve and enhance the environment, like tree planting or clean-up campaigns. Lastly, social welfare programs, supporting initiatives that address social issues such as poverty alleviation or assisting vulnerable populations. So these forms of community service contribute to the overall development and well-being of the community, okay? So community service like in NYC can involve teaching, helping with healthcare, improving things like roads, planting trees, and supporting social programs to make the community better. Do you understand? NYC is done after you finish your university, okay? So next, let's look at ways of rendering community service. What are the ways of doing community service, okay? These include volunteering time, offering your time to help with various community projects or events. Skill contribution, sharing your skills like teaching to benefit others. Donating resources, giving materials, funds, or items to support community needs. Participating in cleanup, joining efforts to clean and maintain public spaces, assisting in events, helping organize or work at community events for a cause. Okay? Engaging in these ways contributes to the positive development of your community. So you can do community service by giving your time, sharing your skills, donating things, cleaning up, or helping with events in your community. Do you understand? Supporting neighbors. Help elderly or disabled neighbors with everyday tasks like grocery shopping or yard work. Tutoring. Assisting fellow community members, especially students, with their studies. Participating in fundraisers. Contributing to or organize events to raise money for community causes. Mentoring. Offer guidance and support to individuals who may benefit from your experience. Creating awareness. Spread awareness about important issues affecting the community through campaigns or social media. Okay? So these are the ways to render services for your community, okay? These are the ways to render community service. Helping neighbors, tutoring students, join fundraisers, be a mentor, and spread the word about community issues to make a positive impact. Do you understand? Now we're going to be looking at importance of community service. Community service is important because, one, it builds unity, fosters a sense of togetherness and shared responsibility within the community, develops empathy, encourages understanding and compassion for others' needs and challenges, promotes civil responsibilities, instills a sense of duty towards contributing to the welfare of the community, enhances personal growth, provides opportunities for skill development, leadership, and character building, addresses community needs, helps meet local challenges and improve living conditions for everyone. So these are importance of community service, okay? Do you understand? Strengthens social bonds, creates connections among community members, building a supportive network, encourages positive change, inspires individuals to take an active role in making positive changes in their surroundings. So these are the importance of community service. Engaging in community service benefits both individuals and the community at large, okay? So community service is important because it brings people together, helps us understand each other better, and makes our community a better place to live. It also teaches us valuable skills and encourages us to take care of each other. Okay? Do you understand? So today's lesson on community service, we understood everything we talked about, right? We looked at the meaning of community service, forms of community service like NYC, ways of rendering community service, and lastly, importance of community service. So we understood everything we talked about. Okay, good. So next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment, right? Okay, that is good.